In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Grok AI history. Quick Steps 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few simple tips to make sure everything is cleared the way you expect. First, open your web browser and head to grok.com. If you see an option to sign in, go ahead and log into your account. While you can browse without it, being signed in ensures any changes you make to your history are saved to your account and stay consistent across devices. If you're already logged in, you should land on the main page right away. On the home page, you'll see the Grok AI interface. Look to the left-hand sidebar for the section labeled History. This panel lists your recent chats and is where you can review and manage what's been saved. Click History to expand it so you can clearly see your conversations and the controls you'll use to manage them. With the History panel open, move your mouse to the very bottom of that panel. When you hover near the lower edge, additional options will appear. If nothing shows up immediately, slowly glide your pointer along the bottom of the sidebar, or scroll to the end of your chat list to make sure you're truly at the bottom. The controls can be subtle, so take a moment until they reveal themselves. Once those options are visible, click Delete to begin clearing your history. There's also a keyboard shortcut you can try. Press Ctrl plus arrow up plus D to trigger the same action. Keep in mind that shortcuts can vary by system, so if that key combination doesn't do anything on your device, just use the on-screen delete button. You may see a quick confirmation prompt depending on your setup. Confirm to proceed. Deletions are permanent, so only continue if you're sure you don't need those entries anymore. If you want to remove a specific conversation rather than everything, select the chat you want from the history list, then choose Delete. That chat will be removed immediately. If you think you might need a record, consider saving important details before deleting. Afterward, give the page a moment to update. If the list doesn't refresh on its own, a quick reload will display the current state. Your changes should carry over anywhere you use the same account. And that's it. You went to grok.com, signed in, opened the history panel on the left, hovered at the bottom to reveal the options, use delete or the shortcut, and remove the chats you selected. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your Grok AI history with confidence.